Good morning, 8th class. I think you have done all the questions which I given you yesterday about preservation methods and what is pasteurization and all this thing you have done, and you have to note down in your copy. Now today we are going to continue with the chapter continue with the topic that is nitrogen fixation. Earlier classes you have studied about the bacteria named Rhizobium. This rhizobium is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plants. Now, what are leguminous plants? I explained earlier also. Now, I can tell you again that the plants, or you can see the seeds which are having covering over that, just like it pulses, that are said to be leguminous. Now, this rhizobium, this one is a bacteria which lives in the root nodules of the leguminous plants. It lives in the roots of there are nodules present on the roots. It lives in that only. Now, such as beans and peas. Examples are beans and peas, with which it has a symbiotic relationship. What is symbiosis? Which one provide food and another provide shelter. That is the symbiotic relationship. Sometimes nitrogen gas fixed through the action of lightning, and sometimes this nitrogen it gets how it is got that it has got fit to the action of lightning. But you know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. But we all know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere it remains constant. It is approx 78%. Now you may wonder how. Let us understand. This is in the next section. Now we will study about that. You can see firstly, you see the plant. You can see the roots of a leguminous plants with root nodules. I can show you. These are the nodules. This one, these all are the nodules. We can see here nitrogen is fixed. Okay, so these all are the nodules in the picture. You can see. These all are the roots of leguminous plants with root nodules, which are roots and have nodules over it. Now, plants, nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Plants and animals, they cannot take nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. So, certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil means certain bacteria and blue-green algae, these are, which are present in the soil, they fix nitrogen from the atmosphere. They take nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into compounds of nitrogen. And here the nitrogen means nitrogen compounds, these are converted into nitrogen. And see, once nitrogen is converted into these usable means once nitrogen is converted into usable compounds, then it can be utilized by the plants. It can be utilized by the plant from the soil through their root system. Means again I will explain you that certain bacteria and blue-green algae which lives in symbiotic relationship, they are present in the soil and they fix the nitrogen fixing, and they get nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert this nitrogen into the compounds of nitrogen. Now once this nitrogen when converted into these usable compounds, means when this nitrogen is converted into usable compounds which are used for the plants, it can be utilized by the plant from the soil. From where? From the soil through their root system. They are getting this nitrogen from the root system. Then this nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plant proteins. Means now this nitrogen is used for the synthesis of plant proteins, means proteins are made in the plant and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants get this protein, means those animals which feed on plants only, they are getting from like that only protein and other nitrogen compounds. Now when plants and animal die, now again firstly I will tell how nitrogen can be converted into usable compounds. You hear the question arise that how nitrogen is converted into usable compound and how it is used or how it is utilized by the plant. From this paragraph you can get the answer. Now, when plants and animals die, first of all, again listen. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound. See again, when these plants and animals, when plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound, which are again used by the plants, Certain other bacteria convert some of the part of the nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere, and some of other bacteria they convert some part of them to nitrogen gas again. Some part of the compounds they change into nitrogen gas again, and which goes back into the atmosphere, so that it can make the level of atmosphere, that is 78%. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. So we can say that by this process, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. And here we can say this is the nitrogen cycle. This is the nitrogen cycle. So our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is the one of the essential constituent of all living organisms, such as part of proteins. Means in nitrogen, proteins, chlorophyll, nucleic acid, and vitamins are present. Now you can see the nitrogen cycle here. See the nitrogen cycle. So first of all, compounds of nitrogen in the soil. First of all, we will say that compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Here, first of all, we will see atmospheric nitrogen. How it is used. Atmospheric nitrogen. You can see here the atmospheric nitrogen is there. So we can see this atmospheric nitrogen is used in the soil by the lightning, which fixes the nitrogen. Lightning that fixes the nitrogen, and from here only again you can see that nitrogen fixes bacteria and blue green algae fix atmospheric nitrogen, and these bacteria and algae they fix atmospheric nitrogen because they live in symbiotic relationship. Then here again these bacteria in turn fix nitrogen to nitrogenous compound, and these bacteria in turn fix nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. And from here, from lightning, when nitrogen is fixed, then we can see compounds of nitrogen in the soil. We can see compounds of nitrogen in the soil, and this nitrogen it is used uptake by the plants. It is from the roots, it is taken by the plants, and this nitrogenous product these are eaten by the animals. They eat plants, and from here nitrogenous waste from excretion and death, and from this waste is produced by the excretion and from the death. And from here again you can see compounds of nitrogen in the soil. They bacteria here they turn compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen, and this nitrogen again goes into the atmosphere, and here the balance is means the atmospheric nitrogen remains more or less constant. So you can see this nitrogen cycle, how nitrogen percentage remains in the atmosphere and how it is utilized by the plants and animals. So today students we will study up to that only, and today you have to make this nitrogen cycle and you have to learn, try to make nitrogen cycle as shown in the picture only, and you have to learn that how nitrogen is fixed and how this nitrogen cycle occurs. Here now this is the end of the chapter. Tomorrow we will continue with the question answers of this chapter. So you have to write and you have to learn this nitrogen cycle.